Welcome to the front lines of your future, where the biggest threat to your success isn't a bad inspection. It's your own desire to have it all right away. We've been conditioned to think that a first home should look like a finished masterpiece. But the hard truth for new homebuyers is that perfect is the enemy of wealth. To make it in life, and especially in real estate, you must be ready to strip back to the essentials. As long as the roof isn't leaking and the doors have locks, you have everything you need to start. The rest is just a test of your patience and your willingness to get dirty. The machine-like grind of building equity requires a shift in mindset. You have to stop being a reactive dreamer who needs a designer kitchen to feel successful. Instead, become a proactive executor who sees raw studs and old carpet as an opportunity. People often ask, how can I live like this? The answer is simple, because I'm building a life that others can only dream of. Every hour you spend sanding, painting, or fixing is an hour you are paying yourself instead of a contractor. That is the resilience and momentum way. Tip number 1, the 24-month rule. Commit to living with the essentials for at least 2 years. This prevents you from making expensive, emotional design choices before you truly understand how the house functions. Tip number 2, the safe and dry priority. Your budget goes to the roof, the locks, and the foundation first. Aesthetics come last. If the house is secure, the rest is just a project. Consider the case study of a buyer who chose the ugliest house in a great neighborhood. While their friends were buying brand new condos with high fees, this buyer lived in one finished bedroom while the rest of the house was a work in progress. They were patient. They got their hands dirty every weekend. 3 years later, they refinanced, pulled out their equity, and bought their second property. They didn't want it all right away, so now they have more than anyone else. You have to be willing to do the work. Real estate isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a get dirty and stay patient strategy. If you have a solid roof and a locked door, you are already ahead of the game. Stop looking for the finish line and start focusing on the next square foot of progress. Build your empire one room at a time. Trust the process of the slow build. You don't need the perfect mansion today. You need the discipline to keep showing up until the job is done. Here's an idea of a 12-month sweat equity tips to help you during this transitional phase of your new reality. Month 1, the lockdown. Secure all entries, change every lock, and ensure the roof is watertight. Your priority is safety and shelter. Month 2, the deep clean and purge. Strip out old carpets and debris. See the bones of what you actually own. Month 3, the sanctuary. Choose one bedroom, paint it, light it, and finish it completely so you have a place to recover. Month 4, mechanical mastery. Learn your plumbing and electrical layout. Fix the small leaks and replace outdated outlets. Month 5, the kitchen pivot. Don't remodel yet. Paint the cabinets and replace the hardware. High impact, low cost. Month 6, lighting and atmosphere. Replace old fixtures with high efficiency LEDs. Brighten the space to keep your mood elevated. Month 7, flooring phase 1. Start in the hallway or a small room. Learn the skill of laying floor before hitting the main areas. Exterior grit. Clean the gutters and address the curb appeal with basic landscaping. Protect the foundation. Month 9, the bathroom refresh. Focus on caulking, new shower heads, and vanity updates. Keep it functional and clean. Month 10, walls and trim. Finalize the painting in the common areas. This is where the house starts to feel like a home. Month 11, flooring phase 2. Tackle the largest living area with the skills you've spent the year practicing. Month 12, the review. Look back at the equity you've built with your own hands. Plan your next major investment. You are a time manager, and you know that time is on your side as long as you are moving forward. Now, get your tools, get your hands dirty, and secure your future. If you found value in this reality check, hit that like button and subscribe. We focus on the grit that builds real wealth. Stay disciplined, stay patient, and we will see you in the next project. Now get to work.